Do you feel like doing almost nothing? Perfect, because you don't even need to stand up for these cleaning hacks. If you're having a low energy day, grab a lint roller and I'll show you 3 super satisfying ways to tidy up right from your sofa. My name's Larissa and this is the Concussion Crew, a place where we find brain-friendly and energy-friendly ways to make life a little bit easier. This is your front row seat to cleaner living, literally. Suggestion 1 is to take your lint roller and run it over the cushions around you, or the armrest, or the spot underneath your legs. You can even get in between the cushions. If you've got a little bit of energy, you can scoot over, get the crumbs right between the cushions under your butt. It's an easy way to tackle crumbs and pet hair and even snack disasters without even standing up. Would your vacuum do a better job? Maybe, but look how much dirt it collected. These little guys will do a great job. Your vacuum cleaner is going to be noisy and heavier than one of these, and you'll probably have to go and find it and pull it out and then put it away again afterwards. This guy can just be popped right under your sofa for next time you're here. Or if you've got a storage ottoman or a storage table in your living room, you could put it in there. It'll fit in this room so that the next time you're sitting here thinking, my sofa's getting a little crummy again, you can just whip this guy out and tackle the mess. Next up, if you do computer work on your sofa, if you bring your laptop over, you might have a laptop desk. This is another thing that can get cleaned. And another thing you can do while we're talking about working on our laptop on the sofa, you can grab a fresh one of these sheets, fold it in half so that you've got a neat little crevice cleaner, and get any crumbs, any fluffs, any dirt and dust that is on your laptop in between the keys, in the section where the keyboard meets the screen. Use one of these and get in there. It gives you a kind of freshen up feeling with almost no effort. This one can feel like magic for your future self. Grab a couple of jackets, whether they're jackets you're wearing right now or jackets that you're cycling out for the season, and drop them on your sofa. Then, the next time you're sitting down, you're listening to an audiobook, you're watching TV, and you could be doing a little something, grab your lint roller and go through the pockets in all of your jackets. It's weirdly satisfying. Sometimes it can be kind of gross. Then, when you've got another burst of energy, you are ready to either donate those jackets or put them into storage or even just put them back into the closet. So what is your favorite? I'm resting, but I'm also kind of a little bit in cleaning mode move. Or let us know if you keep some cleaning supplies in not your usual places like I do. Drop it in the comments so we can share these hacks with our crew. Remember that you are not alone trying to keep things manageable and clean, one soft step at a time.